Hi, hello बच्चों. Welcome back to my channel Maths Lageraho. In the last class we have solved question number 15. So now let us solve the next question, dear students. By using elementary transformation, find the inverse of the matrix A is equal to 3, 1, 5, 2. Very simple question, dear students. By using shortcut we can solve this one. Shortcut I have discussed with you in previous class also. So now see A11, A12, A21, A22. So first you have to make this as 1. Next you have to make this as 0. So next you have to make this as 1. And this you have to make it as 0, dear students. Clear? So now this is by using a shortcut we can solve the elementary transformation and we can find A inverse. One more method is that, dear students, direct method. We can find A inverse directly. So this is not applied for your elementary transformation, but before solving the sum we will be knowing the answer. So that's why direct method I am saying here. So we can find A inverse in determinant. You know how to find A inverse in determinant. We are having a formula 1 upon determinant A into adjoint of A, dear students. So determinant A how to find? Determinant A how to find this one? You see 3 2s are 6. Before multiplying 5 and 1, you have to write here minus. 5 1s are 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. So 1 you got. And adjoint of A, how to find, you see. 3 2, you interchange them. Interchange means 2 3 it will become. 3 2 will become 2 3. So you change the sign of 1 and 5. You change the sign of what? 1 and 5. So minus 1, minus 5. So 1 by 1 is 1. 1 into anything is what? Same or not? So we got our A inverse is what? 2 minus 1 minus 5, 3, dear students. I hope A inverse you understood. Clear? This is our answer final we are going to get by using elementary transformation. Got it? Now, this is not required. I will erase. So now see, dear students. Now we will write the answer. A is equal to, you write, that is given 3 1 5 2. By using elementary row operation, A is equal to I into A. A is what, dear students? 3 1 5 2. And I is what? 1 0 0 1. Into A you write as is. Don't write the 3 1 5 2 here. You write A as is. So now see, I have to get here 1 or not according to shortcut. So for that we need to simplify something here. So what I will do, you see, R2 is what? R2 minus R1 I will do. Why we are doing, you will understand. To bring here 1, we are doing like this. We are applying operation. R2 is what? Some of the students will say that, sir, we can directly apply. That is what? Sir, R1 I will multiply by 1 by 3. That is also correct only, dear students. If you want, you can directly do. So, but fractional part I don't like. So that's why we are using like this. R2 minus R1. So now see, R2 you are changing, no? R2 minus R1 means you are changing row 2. So that's why row 1 you write as this. 3 1 and 1 0. I will write as this. R2 minus R1. R2 is how much? 5. 5 minus, see, 5 minus. R1 is how much? 3. 5 minus 3 is how much? 2. We are going to get here 2. So now see, R2 is how much? 2. Minus R1 is 1. So 1 I wrote. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 I can write. So now see, R2 is how much? 0. 0 minus R1 is how much? 1. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So minus 1 you write. So R2 is how much? 1 minus R1 is how much? 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. So 1 you used to write. So understood? So now I have to bring, still I have not got 1 here, dear students. R1 is how much? 3. R2 is how much? 2. So now I have to bring here 1 or not? R1 minus R2 if I do, I will get 1 or not? Yes or no? So R1 is 3. If I minus 2, no, 3 minus 2 is what? 1 or not? So for that I had applied this operation, dear students, to get their 1, and it will become easy also. Understood? So now we will write this. R1 you are changing. You are changing R1 or not? You are changing R1. So no need of R1 you are changing, R2 is not changing, means you write as is. So that is 2, 1, minus 1, 1. So now R1 minus R2. R1 is what? 3. R2 is what? 2. R1 is 3 minus R2 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 I will write. R1 is how much? 1. R2 is how much? 1 or not? 1 minus 1? 0, dear students. R1 is how much? 1 minus. R2 is how much? Minus 1. Minus into minus, plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. We are writing 2. R1 is what? 0 minus. R2 is how much? 1. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So minus 1 we can write. I hope it is clear. So next I have to bring here what? 0. Where I have to bring 0? In this. So first we got this as 1 here. So I have to bring here 0 means what? You are changing R2 or not? Many times you have solved. R2 minus what? R2 minus 2 into R1. Yes or no? I will not explain more now. So R2 is 2, minus 2 into 1 is what? Minus 2. Before videos we have discussed this. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 and 2 minus 2 is 0, which we are going to get to this one according to the shortcut. So you are not changing R1 means you write as is 1, 0. If you are not changing R1 means you have to write as is 2 minus 1 into A. See A everywhere I am writing. So now R2 is what? 2 minus 2 into R1 is what? 1. So minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Yes or no? R2 is what? 1. Minus 2 into R1 is how much? 0. R2 is 1. Minus 2 into R1 is what? 0. 0 I wrote. Minus 2 into 0. 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. Clear everyone? So now see. R2 is how much? Minus 1. Minus 2 into R1 is how much? 2. Minus 1. Minus 2 into 2. Minus 4. Minus 1 na minus 4 is how much? Minus 5, dear students. R2 is how much? 1 minus 2 into R1 is how much? Minus 1. So how much you will get? So 1 minus into minus plus 1 plus 2 is what? 3. So we are going to get this answer. So please compare. Now we got 1 0 0 1 or not? This side. Can you see? 1 0 0 1. Understood? So if I got this means 100% this is nothing but what? A inverse or not? So A inverse you will compare with our answer. 2 minus 1 minus 5 3. Yes or no? This is how we are getting in shortcut. Actually this is not required to write in my exam and in notes also. We want from here to here. This box is not required. For your understanding purpose I had written it in shortcut. So therefore A inverse is equal to what? 2 minus 1 minus 5 3. This is your answer, dear students. I hope you are understanding. If you are understanding the video, please like and subscribe my channel. So we'll meet you in my next class. Tab tak lage raho maths ke saath. Thank you, dear students.